Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm gonna go ahead and show you what you can do with this thing. The Emporia Tablet comes in a big box with this thingy here, and you can use this as a charger. For that, you need to connect this thingy with your cable here. That cable comes also with the tablet, and then you need to take this thing and put that on the back here. You just slide that in, and then you have like a little stand here. You can now take your tablet and put it in like that, and then it will charge. It is also nice to have it staying like this if you like watch movies or videos on the tablet. That's nice to just have it like standing there, then you don't need to hold it. It's just like a little TV. What you can also do is screw this to the wall. In the box you also have 3 screws, and then you can put it on the wall and then put your tablet in as well. Then you have like a little frame on the wall and you can display your pictures or whatever else. Also, a little side note, we figured out that the tablet only charges with specific chargers, and one of these is the own charger. We tried it with a few different ones, but that didn't work, and maybe you find one that also works. This is a USB-C normal charger, but for some reason the tablet only charges with this specific charger. So all in one, this is how you can use this thing to charge your phone, display your photos, or have it as a little stand to watch videos. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.